Hey everybody, just sitting here looking at my phone, having a cup of coffee, wondering how I'm going to be able to find a winner out of these 478 different submissions of your number, your guess between 1 to 5,000. It was pretty successful. 478 comments is pretty good, except when you have to be the one that has to go through there and find the winner. So let me get this random generator pulled up. I know you guys are really wanting to know who's going to get that $100 from Hobby Nut. So let me go ahead and get a random generator pulled up for this number, and I'll be right back. Alright, so here is the random generator. As you can see, it's going to pick one number from 1 to 5,000. The way this one works is when I hit start, it just randomly goes through numbers in between 1 and 5,000. So whenever I hit this button, stop, that's going to give us our winner. So you guys ready? Alright guys, so I've got the winner. I've got the first, second, and third place winners. I cut the video on where I was pressing the number intentionally to kind of keep the intensity level of the video up. They're right here. I've got some honorable mentions also. If you're close, without going over, I've got a few. I won't mention their name. First of all, before I go any farther, this couldn't be done without the help of Mark over at Hobby Nut Models. He's provided this gift certificate for this drawing. If you have not gone over to Hobby Nut Models to see his inventory, to see what he's got to offer to us modeling community, go over today. The link to Hobby Nut Models is in this description of this video, along with the Facebook group. Go over there. If you didn't win, I think we're somewhat obligated to go over there and check his stuff out. Go over there and look and see what he's got. You might want to go over and take a model home today. He'll ship it to you. I promise he will. So how am I going to do this? So, you know, beauty contests, they never tell the winner first. They always start with the third runner-up, second runner-up, and then the winner. So I'm going to do that. So first of all, I'm going to let you know there's two guys that are going to, or two people. I suppose the one is a guy, but that are going to get t-shirts. How this is going to work is, if I call your name, I'll contact you through this comment. You can send me, I'll send you my email address. You can give me your address, then I will send you a t-shirt. So third place, the third place winner, drum roll. I meant to have a drum roll. Ruthie's behind the camera, by the way. I meant to have a drum roll sound and I forgot. Sorry. There went that. Alright, so third place, John Freeman. John Freeman guessed 3,859. Pretty close. But John Freeman is the third place t-shirt winner, which is the same as the second place t-shirt winner. Still just a t-shirt. Second place, EC. I don't know who EC. I don't know if EC is a guy or gal. EC. I'm assuming you're a guy, but EC, capital E, capital C, 3,880. So EC got the second place, 3,880. And now what I'm going to do, because the intensity has built to its climax, I'm going to go back to that portion of the video where I hit the button and we see exactly what that number is. So give me just a second. 3,889. Is that you? Do you remember your number? Alright, so the winning number, 3,889. Did anybody get close to that? Oh yes, very close. As a matter of fact, Douglas Robbins, 3,888. That's as close as you can get without getting it perfect, because he couldn't go over because we're playing the Price is Right. 3,888. Douglas Robbins, congratulations. Congratulations. I'll send you an email, or I'll send you my email through this comment. Get with me and we'll have you a gift certificate sent to you for $100 for Hobby Nut models. So hasn't this been fun? So now I've got some honorable mentions I want to mention. You got close and you didn't go over, but just a little not close enough. Now these aren't in any particular order. I'm just going to call out some names. 3,719 was Poppy's Delusion. 3,024 was Tina Bowie. 3,745 Caesar Salad. 3,738 was BK Model Cars. Frank Miller was 3,091. I'm sorry, 3,791. Phil, I'm going to butcher your last name. Phil Refelt. I know I got that wrong. 3,755. Jason Wells, 3,781. Gary Kelly, 3,788. And Shane Gross, 3,783. You guys came so close. I was surprised. Between 1 and 5,000, there's a lot of variations in the middle of that. And that's quite a few people to get so close. Excuse me. But I'm glad Douglas Robbins was able to get it within one number. EC got it within 9 numbers. And then, I'm not going to do the math, but John Freeman, he's 3,859. So this was a lot of fun. I'm going to get those I'm going to get that gift certificate to you, Douglas, and EC, and John. A t-shirt's coming your way just as soon as you respond to my comment and give me your address. So this was a lot of fun. Thank you, Ruthie, for. You want to turn the camera around on you and say, "Hey, everybody."
Oh, I look terrible.
She says I look terrible. Hey, it's early in the morning on Saturday. She's like, I don't have any makeup on. All right. So anyway, all right. So we're done. Don't forget to go to Hobby Nut. You're obligated. He out of pocketed $100 for us. Do that. Go to the Facebook group. I will put a congratulations in our Facebook group for Douglas Robbins, and this was a lot of fun. So guys, thank you for supporting me. Thank you for getting me to the 5,000 subscribers mark. It's only because of you that I'm there, because I can't do it. So it's only because of my subscribers. Thank you so much. If you have not already subscribed, please go subscribe. That would mean a lot to me. And I guess that's all I got. So we'll see you on the next video. Congratulations, everybody. Bye.